Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to this channel and welcome back to yet another video in this channel. And in this video we're going to talk about what exactly Tableau is. So we have been talking a lot about Tableau, and we have made a few videos, maybe some in my previous channel, a few in here, but let's talk about what exactly Tableau is. So let's do something that we are best at. Let's Google. So I'll be sharing my screen quickly. This is the official page of Tableau, and here we can see the very simple definition of Tableau given. So Tableau is a visual analytics platform transforming the way we use data to solve problems. Now, very self-explanatory. It's a visual analytics platform, which means it's a BI tool, and we can do analytics and data analysis and data visualization through Tableau. If you ask me what exactly is a BI tool, what exactly is business intelligence? Well, business intelligence is nothing but using data to take decision, using data to make data-driven decision, to take data informed decision. So let's say you are a CEO of a company, or let's say you're in a management or top leadership position, and you want to, or you have to take a decision related to something. So you can't just blindly take a decision and just with your gut feeling. Maybe at times it works, but not always. So you might be needing something to back your decision, to support your decision, and in such cases is when we need data, we need visualizations, we need reports which can help us, which can give us this surety that okay, this decision, if we go with this plan, there might be success, we might get some success, where we extract information, where we extract insights, where we see hidden trends, patterns, things like that, which help us a lot in decision making. Now it can be, let's say, it can be marketing data, it can be finance data, it can be HR data, it can be any kind of data, or let's say even a government can take help of data. It obviously does. So it can be any kind of data, and which is the main purpose is to solve problems. I'll attach this link and you can just read through it, whatever they have mentioned. It's a very well written about us by Tableau, by Salesforce. Now let me quickly jump into the Tableau screen. This is how Tableau Public looks like. There are different versions of Tableau. We have Tableau Public, we have Tableau Desktop, we have Tableau Online. A lot of things are there, not getting into that at this point of time. This is the free version of Tableau, Tableau Public. I have connected to one of the data sources. So let's say I have a question. The business is given, I'm a data analyst, business is giving me a question that tell me which category is doing the best in terms of sales. What I can do is, like, let's say we have dragged category, and this is where sales is. Oops. So here you can see office supplies 880376, technology. So even when I have data in this format, I have to read all the three columns. It's not that intuitive for me to understand which category is doing the best. What if we, instead of this, we have a bar chart? So isn't it more intuitive for us to understand, okay, this one, technology, is doing the best in our case? So that's how visual analytics work. That's how visualization work basically. So let's get one more sheet. Very simple analysis. Let's say which country is doing best, in terms of profit. So I've dragged profit over here, and oops, too big. And let's say I'm dragging profit in colors as well. Now you can see there are like all these countries, they have these dots, they have these circles, but few of those countries have bigger circles. I mean, you can control the size, relative size. So, and also the colors. Now what I have done is, on the basis of the color and size, you can understand that which country is doing more profit. So very intuitively we can see that China is doing great in terms of profit. Let's try one last thing. Do we have any date over here? Okay, let's say we have a date here. I want quarter, months. Let's say I want months. So let's take quantity sales, and it's a very simple line chart. So now you can see, if you make it a continuous, all right. So now you can see how this is basically a time series. So you can see over the month, over the period of month, how the sum of quantity of things being sold are changing. So in January 2020 it was so low, and then at this point of time in December 2023 it's comparatively higher than what it was. But we can see there was a dip, and over here we can further investigate why that dip was. And also, like, we can further investigate what exactly we did because of this spike over here. So these things can be encouraged, these things can be discouraged, whatever we have did in June 2023 and July, why this dip happened in July. So this kind of things can be discouraged, which can be further analyzed and investigated and taken into consideration when the leadership body or any concerned person wants to take a decision. When we are making such sheets, when we are making such visuals, in the end of the day, what we can do is we can put all of those visuals into a dashboard, just a simple dashboard. I'm showing nothing fancy over here. We can put everything together. Maybe I can get rid of this and this as well. Amazing. So then in the end of the day, we can present this thing to the person who is needed, who wants that report from you, and it will become so much more easier for him to go through this dashboard instead of going through a very boring Excel or let's say a SQL database and understand the business. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, do share, do subscribe, and wait for some amazing content. Happy whizzing. Bye bye.